Example 7.7. Rework the previous two examples if the discount rate or the opportunity cost of capital increased to 10%. Now we noticed that the $300 became $150 and the $510 price became $187.50. So 500 actually 510 we need, and so let's just do that again. So in Excel, let's just link this with this, and then let's link this rate with this rate. Okay, and now all we have to do really is to convert this from 0.05 to 0.1, and everything takes care of itself. So the new price is $150, and we can confirm that on the graph. It's $150. Well, if you cannot see it, that's okay. We'll just make the major axis $10. So you can see it tapers off at $150. So the reworked example tells us the price is $150. Next, let's change the discount rate here. So we'll just say rework for 7.7. Reworked for example 7.7. We'll say the same thing here as well. Now we're reworking that for example 7.7. In this, we're going to make this 10% or 0.1, and the new price is $191.25. We can confirm that by going all the way down to Control G, AO 387, 191.25. Yeah, there you go. So 191.25. So the answer is the price is 191.25 for the reworked 7.6 and $150 for the reworked 7.5 with the new discount rate. Notice how as we change the rates, as we decrease the interest rate, price goes up. As we increase the interest rates, price goes down. And that's example 7.7. Thank you for listening.